Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you people are doing well. Kids, the topic which I am going to discuss with you people today is division. You can see the sign of division on your screens. Whenever you see this sign, a line with two dots upside down, it means you have to divide. Division is also called sharing. Now let's go to the first slide of our presentation and read the definition and discuss it in detail. Children, the question is, what is division? So division is simply splitting a number or object into equal parts or group. Let me give you a simple example. If you have a pizza, normally a large pizza have 8 slices, okay, and you want to divide it among 4 friends of yours. So the question is how you will divide it. So children, here multiplication or tables plays an important role. If you know the tables, you will be a champ of division. Now back to the example. We have 8 slices of pizza which has to be divided among 4 people. So it means you will start reading the table of 4 until 8 comes in it. The point where you will stop would be the answer of your question. So start reading the table. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We have to stop here because 8 has come. So kids, how many times we have read the table? 4 to get 8. 2 times. It means 2 pieces of pizza would be divided among 4 friends. Understood kids? Now let's move and see what's next we have. So children, this is the first example. But before we discuss this problem, let me tell you a very important point, that when we read the table to divide an object or thing, we always read the table of the smaller number. Understood? Now let's discuss this problem. There are 8 pencil boxes and there are 4 friends. The pencil boxes has to be shared equally among all the friends. So what are we gonna do? We start reading the table of smaller number. Now which is the smaller number, 4 or 8? It's 4. So read the table of 4 until 8 comes. Let's read it. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. We got 8. Okay, it means every friend will get 2 boxes. Understood kids? Now here is another example. Children, in this example, Sana has to share 15 flowers equally into 5 vase. What will we do children? We will read the table of 5 until 15 comes. So let's read it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. We got 15, so we have to stop here. It means 3 flower equally divided into 5 vase. Understood? Now let's move on to the next slide. In this example kids, we have to divide 8 bananas among 2 monkeys. As I have told you, while dividing we read the table of smaller number. So let's read the table of 2 until 8 comes. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. And 2 times 4 is 8. So we got 8 and we have to stop over here. It means each monkey will get 4 bananas. Simple. Now let's move on to the last slide of the presentation. Children, here is a small home activity I have planned for you. I'm sure you people will love it. And this activity will help you in knowing that how much you have grip on this topic. Okay, now let's read what we have to do. Children, first of all, you have to make a card like this with a small piece of card sheet. You can make a simple one. There's no fancy work needed. Then ask any elder in your family to write different sums on it and answers of the sum at the back side of the card. Then put clothespin onto it so that it can hide all the sums. After that, what you have to do is to pick one clip at once randomly and tell the answer of it by division method. And you can flip the card if you want to see the answer is correct or not. Children, by this activity you can know how much your concept is clear and how good you are in tables. It will also enhance your division skills. So try this activity at home. Now moving on to the last slide of the presentation. Press enter. Children, here is a small division game for you. It is very interesting and very easy. If you have understood all the division facts and all the examples, you can easily do this. If you can give the correct answer, you will get 3 points, and if you give the wrong answer, you will get 0. So what you need to do is to solve this sum which I have given you. You have to divide 16 from 2. As in the presentation I told you before that whenever we do division, we start reading the table of smaller number to get the answer. So you have to read the table of 2 until 16's come. Okay, so start reading the table and find out the answer. If you find the answer, you will get 3 points. Okay kids, I'll be back with another video very soon. Till then, take care of yourself, do a lot of practice of division, and don't forget to learn the tables. Bye bye.